Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Great to have you here. Absolutely. Here's a highly SEO optimized 600-word engaging summary tailored for a YouTube video on Apple's AI and US manufacturing push, specifically targeting an American audience. This is ready to use in your video description or as a pinned comment to boost SEO and engagement. YouTube video summary 600 words SEO optimized. Apple is taking a bold step in 2026 with a massive $500 billion investment in AI and US manufacturing, and it's poised to reshape the American technology landscape. In this video, we dive deep into what this historic move means for Americans, from new tech jobs to advanced AI innovations and strengthened domestic manufacturing. Apple's strategy is not just about making products. It's about making America a global hub for AI development and tech manufacturing. The company is building a state-of-the-art server factory in Houston and opening multiple AI-focused R&D centers across the US, signaling a major shift towards homegrown innovation. This investment is expected to create tens of thousands of high-paying jobs in engineering, AI development, and manufacturing, giving the American workforce a significant boost. For US tech enthusiasts, this means faster access to AI-enabled devices, smarter Apple software, and advanced technologies integrated into iPhones, Macs, iPads, and beyond. Apple's AI strategy is designed to enhance user experiences with intelligent personal assistants, smarter apps, and AI-driven performance improvements. With these innovations, Apple is positioning itself as a leader in AI adoption in America, creating new opportunities for businesses, developers, and everyday consumers. From an economic perspective, Apple's investment will strengthen domestic supply chains and reduce dependence on overseas manufacturing. This is a critical move for the US economy, ensuring that America remains competitive in the global tech market. By focusing on domestic production and AI research, Apple is not only advancing technology, but also contributing to national economic growth, creating jobs in states across the country. In this video, we'll cover Apple's $500 billion AI and US manufacturing investment, the Houston server factory and R&D centers and their impact on American jobs, how Apple's AI strategy is changing consumer technology in the US, the economic benefits for the US, including manufacturing and technology leadership, why this makes Apple a key player in AI adoption and innovation in America. Americans can expect a new wave of AI-powered features in Apple products, making devices smarter, faster, and more personalized. Businesses in the US can leverage Apple's tools for enterprise solutions, while everyday consumers benefit from enhanced performance, smarter apps, and seamless AI integration. This is more than just a business story. It's about America's technological future. Apple is setting the stage for the US to become a global leader in AI development and innovation. For students, professionals, and tech enthusiasts in the US, these developments are shaping job markets, educational priorities, and investment opportunities. If you want to stay updated on Apple news, AI trends, US manufacturing updates, and tech industry insights, this video is your go-to source. Don't miss the latest on how Apple is driving America's AI revolution and creating opportunities for tech talent across the country. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.